Uh, have you been keeping an eye on the Bitcoin price lately? Well, in the past 14 days, it has been on an impressive uptrend, gaining a significant 14.5%. This resurgence in bullish sentiment has caught the attention of many investors and analysts. But what exactly is driving this upward trajectory? And how far can the Bitcoin price climb?
One of the key catalysts behind this uptrend is the reduction of outflows from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Previously, daily outflows were around 500 to 600 million, but they have now decreased to 100 to 200 million dollars. At the same time, there's been a net positive inflow of Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds. And this shift in the GBTC flows, along with the emergence of net positive BTC spot ETF inflows, is contributing to the current bullish trend.
Interestingly, there have also been notable price movements around spot ETF fixings. During the hours of 3-4 p.m. EST, the Bitcoin price tends to tick higher. This could be attributed to the 1-hour observation window used by the BlackRock ETF to calculate its net asset value. However, after 4 p.m. EST, downward pressure is typically observed as GBTC employs a point fix, leading market makers to sell around and after the fix. Another factor that is supporting the Bitcoin price is the strong performance of U.S. equities. Despite the Federal Reserve's hawkish stance and higher U.S. yields, U.S. equities are all performing. Companies like NVDA and Meta have rallied due to strong earnings and positive headlines. This bullish sentiment in the equity market is expected to spill over into Bitcoin and touching Ethereum, further fueled by the upcoming Bitcoin halving and the ETH spot ETF narratives. But despite the positive momentum, Bitcoin still faces strong barriers on its way to $50,000. The immediate resistance level is at 45,500, followed by 46,600. However, the final hurdle, before reclaiming its previous high of $69,000, is at $48,500. It remains to be seen how Bitcoin will respond when encountering these resistance walls, and whether the buying pressure will be sufficient to propel it back on track.
So there you have it. The Bitcoin price has been on an impressive uptrend, driven by factors such as the reduction of GBTC outflows, net positive BTC spot ETF inflows, and the strong performance of U.S. equities. With that said, let's hope Bitcoin can break through those resistance levels and reach new heights.
And here's a short joke for you. Why did the Bitcoin go to therapy? Because it had Bitcoin dependency issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.